Hi guys, welcome to Adobe Illustrator tutorials how to design a logo. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create animal icon design or logo design using line style. I will create a rabbit icon design or logo design just using pen tool, and I will make it using line style. Okay, first I will select the brush to create concept for my logo. You can follow me or you can create this concept using your idea. Okay, this just concept, and I will make this concept looks good using pen tool. Select the pen tool over here and double click on the fill and change the color, maybe using gray color. Click OK, and the stroke over here remove. Okay, like that. And now select the pen tool again. Click here. You can follow me. I will using this sketch using base of my icon. Click on this point, click here and scroll maybe like that. Click here, scroll on the left, click here, scroll on the right. Click on this point and scroll like that, going up but a little bit left, and click here, maybe here, and scroll a little bit down and click here. Press enter and change this fill to stroke. Just click here. Okay, and go to properties over here. Change the size of this stroke. I will choose 5, maybe a little bigger. 10, a little bit bigger, maybe 16. Okay, I think that looks good. And I need to adjust this line to make the shape looks good. In this part I will make it like that, so that looks smooth. And this point, put this over here a little bit on the right, and this point a little bit down, maybe over here. Click on this point and scroll a little bit down, and click on this point, click this point, scroll going up like that, and this point a little bit on the left, this two a little bit on the left, this point a little bit on the left. Okay, like that. This a little bit down, and this point a little bit on the left. I will remove my concept. Remove. I forget to create tail, so I will create tail over here. I will select the pen tool again, click here, here, and here. I need to adjust this point. Click here, this point, and put a little bit going up like that, and this point a little bit going up, and this point too. Okay, like that. I think that looks good, but this maybe over here. Scroll a little bit down, this two a little bit down. Okay, that looks smooth. I think I need to adjust this part to make it looks good. Click on this point and scroll on the right, and this point put over here, a little bit on the left. Okay, that looks good, but this point maybe I need to put a little bit down like that. This two. Okay, that looks good. And now I will change this color, maybe blue, using blue color here. Put this fill color to stroke and remove the fill color. Okay, that looks pretty good. And we can change this color using gradient color to make it looks much better. Just click this true color and go to the structures and choose the gradient color, maybe purple gradient, so that you can see that looks interesting. And you can try to change the color like this to make this logo looks much better, just using gradient color, and change the background to dark green, and the logo is using green color, so that looks good. Okay guys, I hope you learned something in this video, and don't forget to click like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to get new video tutorial every time I update new video. And don't forget to watch more video tutorial in my YouTube channel. Here is my YouTube channel, Adobe Illustrator Tutorials, how to design a logo. Just type this name on the YouTube search and you can find my YouTube channel, watch more video tutorial in video navigation. And this is all my video tutorial. You can learn more about Adobe Illustrator, and I hope this video helpful for you. See you on the next video.